How to enable download via mobile data on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable download via mobile data on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then just click here audio, and here you will find download via mobile data. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.